1 square. I tell more about squares. 1 square means it is nothing but 1 times of 1 which remains as 1. So this 1 square remains as 1. Let's find out the value of 2 square. 2 square means it is 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. So this remains as 4. Let's talk about 3 square. 3 square means it is 3 times of 3. 3 times of 3 is 9. So this becomes equal to 9. Let's find out what is 4 square. 4 square means 4 times of 4. 4 times of 4 is 16. So this 4 square is 16. Let's find out 5 square. 5 square you can do it as 5 times of 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. So this completely equal to 5 square as 25. Now I find out different cubes of numbers. Now you can do it out. That is 1 cube. 1 cube means you can write here 1 times of 1 times of 1. 1 times of 1 is 1. Again 1 times of 1 remains as 1. So 1 cube remains as 1. Let's find out about 2 cube. 2 cube means you can do it here 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 is 8. So this 2 cube becomes 8. Let's find out about 3 cube. 3 cube you can do it as 3 times of 3 times of 3. 3 times of 3 is 9. 9 times of 3 is 27. So this 3 cube going to become 27. Let's find out the value of 4 cube. 4 cube you can write it like this. That is 4 times of 4 times of 4. 4 times of 4 times of 4. 4 times of 4 is 16. 16 times of 4 is 64. Now you're going to get this completely as 64. Let's find the value of 5 cube. 5 cube you can write it like this. That is 5 times of 5 times of 5. Now 5 times of 5 becomes 25. 25 times of 5 which is 125. So this completely equal to 125. Let's tell another numbers. That is I tell about power of 0. 0 power of anything. 0 power of 1 which going to become equal to 0, and 0 square which is also 0. 0 cube means you multiply 0 by itself 3 times. 0 times of 0 times of 0. 0 times of 0 is 0. Again 0 times of 0 is 0. So 0 cube remains as 0. Now let's talk about what is 0 power of 100. Even 0 power of 100 is 0, and 0 power of 1000 is also 0. But do you know that completely different thing? That is any number to the power of 0 becomes 1. That is 1 power of 0 means its meaning is 1 by 1 which remains as equal to 1. And 2 power of 0 means its meaning is 2 by 2. That means 2 1 times 2 1 times it also equal to 1. And 3 power of 0 which meaning is 3 by 3. 3 1 times 3 1 times it remains as equal to 1. And now I going to, if you take 5 power of 0, that number is also 5 by 5. 5 1 times 5 1 times it remains as equal to 1. Let's find out the value when you're going to take bigger numbers. That is if you take 100 power of 0, that also meaning is 100 by 100, that you can divide 100 1 times, 100 1 times remains as 1. Let's find out the value of what is 1 power of 0 times of 1 power of 1 times of 1 square times of 1 cube. Here 1 power of 0 means it is 1 by 1 which remains as 1, and now 1 power of 1 also remains as 1. 1 square you can do it here 1 times of 1 which also remains as 1. Even 1 times of 1 times of 1, 1 cube also remains as 1. 1 times of 1 is 1. Again 1 times of 1 is 1. Again 1 times of 1 is 1. This completely equal to 1. Let's take and do more problems on this 2 number 2. That is let's take 2 power of 0 times of 2 power of 1 times of 2 square times of 2 cube. When you do all these problems you're going to get like this. 2 power of 0 means it is 1. Any number to the power of 0 it is 1. and 2 power of 1 remains as 2, and 2 square you can do it here, 2 times of 2 which is 4. So this 2 square is 4 times of 2 cube means 2 times of 2 times of 2, 2 times of 2 is 4, and 4 times of 2 which is 8. So this becomes equal to 8. 1 times of 2 is 2, 2 times of 4 which is 8, 8 times of 8 is 64. So this completely equal to 64. Let's do more problems on this. Now they are giving negatives of exponents. That is, negatives of exponents means they are giving like 2 power of minus 2. 2 power of minus 2 means you can write it as 1 by 2 square. Means 2 square is 2 times of 2 which is 4. So this equal to 1 by 4. In the same way, they are even giving 5 power of minus 3. You can write it as 1 by 5 cube. In the same way, they even given 7 power of minus 5, which you can make it as positive by taking the 7 power of 5 downwards, the power become positive. Let's take more problems. Here you need to add this number, that is 2 square plus 4 square plus 8 square. To add this you need to first simplify them. That is, let's simplify that out. 2 square plus 4 you can write it as 2 square within and whole square, plus 8 can be written as 2 cube and whole square of that. You're going to get this 2 square remains as 2 square, and here these two gets multiplied. 2 times of 2 becomes 4, so it is 2 power of 4 plus this thing, that is 2 cube. Here 3 and 2 gets multiplied. 3 times of 2 is 6, so it is 2 power of 6. And now you cannot multiply them, add them, but you can easily multiply them. Now let's keep like this itself. You can take if you want 2 square as common, here 1 going to remain. Here after taking 2 square, 2 square going to remain. After taking 2 powers, 4 powers going to remain. So this is equal to 2 square times of all these numbers. Let's take out even more numbers, that is fraction powers. That fraction power means if they are giving 3 power of half, that means it is root of 3. And if they are giving 5 power of 1 by 3, means you can write it as cube root of 5. This base number comes inside the root, and this power form becomes root of square root, or it is cube root. Let's take more numbers of this one, that is 2 power of minus 3 times of 2 power of 5 times of 2 power of minus 9 divided by 2 power of minus 2. Now you need to simplify that. To simplify that, you're going to get 2 as the base of all of them. Add up the powers in numerator, that is minus 3 plus 5 minus 9, and this minus 2 power in denominator comes up, it becomes plus 2. Now you can add them out, that is minus 3 plus 5 becomes 2, 2 minus 9 becomes minus 7, minus 7 plus 2 which becomes minus 5, which is equal to 2 power of minus 5. And this 2 power of minus 5 can make negative power positive by taking complete number to the denominator, 1 by 2 power of 5. Let's take more numbers like this, that is 3 square times of 3 power of 5 times of 3 power of 1 half times of 3 power of 3 by 2. Now you need to multiply them, all of them. To multiply again 3 power of 1, you can take all of them, that is 3 is the common base, and add up the powers. That is, you can add like this, 2 plus 5 plus 1 by half plus 3 by 2 plus 1. Now you're going to get half plus 3 by 2 means you can take 2 as the common base in them, and you're going to get here all of them multiplied by 2. 2 times of 2 is 4, and 2 times of 5 is 10, and 2 times of 1 is 2, and here that remains the same since both of them. Here it remains 1 and 3 since their base is 2, and here 2 times of 1 is 2. Now 4 plus 10 is 14, 14 plus 1 15, 15 plus 3 18, 18 plus 2 is 20, 20 by 2 you can write like this 20 by 2 which is 2 1 times 2 10 times it is 3 power of 10. Let's take more numbers, that is here you going to get it as 5 square times of 5 power of minus 3 times of 5 power of 5. Here in all of them take 5 as the common base and you can add up the powers of them, that is 2 minus 3 plus 5. Now you're going to get 2 minus 3 which is equal to minus 1 plus 5 which is equal to 4, 5 power of 4. Now let's take this number, that is 2 power of 8 divided by 2 cube. In both of them 2 is the common base, so take 2 as the common base. Numerator power minus denominator power, that is 8 minus 3 and you're going to get it as 2 power of 5. This is the complete form of it. I'm going to do more problems like this. Bye.